Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the top 5 gaming PCs in the market for this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I'm trying to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To see the price and find out more information about these gaming PCs, you can check out the description below. Also make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, it's the Acer Aspire Gaming Desktop. Acer Aspire's GX281 is a budget-oriented entry-level gaming PC that packs many interesting features and fluid performance. So let's jump into the action and reveal what's so special about this PC. Design-wise, the GX281 boasts a matte black plastic front outlined by a crimson grille and glowing red lights in the shape of a V, while the bottom has an Aspire badge in faux brushed aluminium, and near the top of the face there's a shiny black plastic with a silver Acer logo, which give a great look to the overall aesthetics. When it comes to connectivity, the front houses a USB Type-C port and a full-size USB 3.1 port for easy access, as well as headphone and microphone jacks and an SD card reader. On the back there are 6 USB ports, 4 USB 2.0 ports and 2 USB 3.1, an Ethernet jack, DVI, DisplayPort and HDMI outputs, and a mic in, line in and speaker jacks. So, as you can see, you'll be well equipped with everything you need. Performance-wise, the combination of a Ryzen 5 1400 CPU and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 GPU with 8GB of RAM and 2GB of VRAM, and also a 1TB HDD, fine for mid-level gaming considering the price. Additionally, the Aspire comes with both a stock keyboard and a mouse in the box. The keyboard keys are decent, comfortable to type on, and the mouse doesn't have much weight to it. Also, Acer offers a wide variety of more powerful configurations for the Aspire GX, going up to an AMD Ryzen 7 1700X CPU, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 GPU with 8GB of VRAM, 16GB of RAM, and a max storage option consisting of a 2TB hard drive and a 256 SSD. However, no matter what you choose, you'll still be satisfied with the performance. Moreover, the GX281 intends to deliver users worldwide a decent gaming performance for an affordable price. And personally, during our testing, we started playing PUBG and we managed to get a stable FPS, so I don't have any issues whatsoever, and I think you wouldn't have any too. To conclude, if you're looking for a budget-oriented gaming PC that performs and looks premium, then this could be your ideal choice. At number 4, it's the CyberPower Gamer Extreme. The CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme is a remarkable mid-level gaming PC that has a handsome-looking case which houses strong hardware to ensure that you can play dozens of games while having a stable FPS. So, let's get straight to the point and reveal what else you can expect from this PC. In terms of design, this particular model comes with an elegant aluminium case, followed by a tempered glass side and doors which will provide easy access and a view of the internal components, a black theme that stretches across the front and airflow inlets, and accented with signature lights, so you can see as a whole, this looks brilliant. Additionally, when you view from the front, there's a trio of concentric red lights, while on the top you can find 2 USB 3.0 ports, a reset button, power button and a microphone and headphone jack, while around the back there's an Ethernet port, 2 USB 2.0 ports, 4 USB 3.1 Type A ports and audio ports. For your information, there's an HDMI and DisplayPort on the graphics card as well, so you can connect to external displays without any problem, and so far I have no remarks. Hardware-wise, this particular model is equipped with an Intel i5-8400 processor, has a hard drive of 1TB, 8GB of DDR4 RAM, and an AMD RX 580 graphics card of 4GB. So, as you can see, these specs are fantastic because aside from gaming, you can use it for professional purposes as well, including video editing, photo editing, and more. Moreover, gamers who have already purchased this PC claim that this model is simply ideal for 1440p gaming, and the frame rates are stable as well. But when we also add the VR capabilities that are offered by this PC, without a doubt I can say you won't feel restricted in terms of use. Overall, I strongly recommend you consider the Gamer Extreme PC, especially if you're looking for a reliable, multi-purpose gaming PC that looks really good and performs even better, without having to spend thousands of dollars. And at number 3, it's the Alienware Aurora R7. The Alienware line has been out on the market for quite a while now, and due to their quality and performance, they've managed to become one of the best options you can find for a gaming PC. The Aurora R7 is one of those models which adds Intel's powerful 8th generation processors and a handy USB-C port to the desktop's already excellent design. So let's get into the topic and explain what makes this model so special. Design-wise, Alienware has a futuristic-looking design which sports a sleek grey panel and 3-way LED lights that have become a staple of just about every Alienware machine. However, Aurora's lighting is pretty subtle by gaming desktop standards, but still, you'll enjoy being able to swap between desktop's default blue hues for some purples and pinks. The connectivity ports include a USB-C port right up front, USB 3.1 port, headphone and mic jacks. Additionally, the back of the Aurora is loaded with even more USB connections than you'll probably need, including 6 USB 2.0 ports, 4 USB 3.1 ports, and an additional USB-C port. Plus, you'll also find a full suite of audio ports, an SPDIF jack for optical audio gadgets, and an Ethernet port. The system's NVIDIA GTX 1080 Ti graphics card boasts its usual HDMI port and a trio of DisplayPort connections, giving you plenty of options for connecting your monitors. Performance-wise, sporting an NVIDIA GTX 1080 Ti graphics card alongside Intel's new 8th generation Core i7-8700K processor, the Aurora can handle every game you throw at it. In addition, Aurora's powerful specs are more than suitable for Steam VR performance, while we tested it and got a score of 11, making the Alienware more than ready for high-fidelity virtual reality. Moreover, thanks to its 8th generation Core i7-8700K and 32GB of RAM, Aurora proves to be as beastly at everyday multitasking as it is in gaming. To be more specific, the system will never slow down when you pile a bunch of activities, even if you watch dozens of streams, open different browser tabs, and so on. To conclude, if you're looking for a mid-range price gaming PC that features the latest technology with premium features, then this could be your ideal choice. At number 2, it's the CyberPower Panzer. CyberPower is a well-known brand for its trustworthy hardware components, while they've powered the Panzer PVR 1060 with powerful i5-7600K quad-core processor, a 2TB hard drive, and with Intel H110 chipset, making this combination a powerful masterpiece for performance. From the design perspective, as with many other high-end gaming PCs, this one also features a striking futuristic construction with red lighting and a glass top for easy managing when needed, which also gives a great look to the overall aesthetics. You can find the company logo planted in one side, while the chassis features smart and sleek finishing. However, it's not a lightweight system. Instead, it'll take up some space and sit comfortably on your desktop. In terms of ports, the system features an array of connectivities for insertion and extension. The desktop model is equipped with 1 HDMI, 1 DisplayPort, 4 USB 3.0, 4 USB 2.0, and in addition it also houses 1 RJ45 Ethernet. Moving on, the system is a fine pick for both gaming as well as overall execution, while it also offers a good amount of space to store files, movies, and games. The gaming model integrates an 8GB of RAM, but personally I think the manufacturer could have improved a little on that front. Although a dedicated graphics card assembled in the box makes sure the users will enjoy the quality visual experience while playing high-end games and watching movies. Performance-wise, the i5 quad-core processor empowers the system and makes it speedy. Whether it's a creative work, game or daily task, the users always expect smooth performance, and on this front, the Panzer PVR 1060 won't disappoint you. Furthermore, the Panzer PVR 1060 relies on an AMD Radeon RX 480 8GB video card to create an exceptional visual attraction for the gaming audiences. To be more specific, excellent clarity and brightness will keep you thrilled from start to finish. Last but not least, a subtle touch with LED lighting makes it more captivating. It feels nice to see the interior of your desktop thanks to the amazing placement of LED lights. Overall, the Panzer PVR 1060 is definitely a must-have, and if you've got the budget for it, don't hesitate to purchase it, because you won't regret your decision. At number 1, it's the Corsair One i160. The Corsair One i160 is a fully cooled yet silent compact gaming PC like no other in the market. Design-wise, the Corsair One i160 boasts 2mm thin metal plates that emphasize to create angular lines, and the top of the unit caps with tall diagonal fins. The unit's entire chassis looks elegant, and its thin lighting lanes give a great look to the overall aesthetics. For your information, differing from its predecessors, the power supply has been moved from the top right of the unit, where it sat on top of the graphics card, to the bottom left of the case. This way, the PSU is better isolated from the two most heat-generating components. Thanks to this redesign, it eliminates the one extension cable for power while shortening other necessary for video connections. As for the light pipes that run down the front of the system, they default to blue out of the box. However, with the addition of the iQ software, you can customize the color of the 8 total LEDs or have the change based on temperature changes or what game you're running. In terms of connectivity, well, you won't quite get the same amount of ports that you would expect with a larger desktop, but there's still enough for some users. To be more specific, on the front near the bottom you'll find a headphone mic combo jack and a pair of USB 3.1 Generation 1 Type A ports, along with an HDMI 2.0 A port, which is handy for plugging in a VR headset. And on the back you'll find a PS2 port for legacy peripherals, a pair of USB 2.0 ports for more modern mice and keyboards, as well as a pair of USB 3.1 Generation 2 ports. Performance-wise, the Corsair One i160 is armed with an Intel Core i9-9900K processor, packing 2 additional cores. Meanwhile, graphics power is bumped up thanks to its NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080, increases in frequency, and adding faster GDDR6 memory, and also supported by 32GB of RAM. It just makes the perfect combination for a high-end gaming PC. To conclude, if you're looking for a high-end gaming PC that packs premium features and fluid performance, then this is your best pick. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.